Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to us with, it was to do overpressure, overheating. When I test the machine, I find out this pressure stat, the old one, is really old version. It's broken, not working. And the safety valve, this one, is broken too, so I just replace it with a new type of it. It's way better than this old, and I'm testing the machine over and over. It's great, it's holding the pressure, and when it's reached, I'm testing it with the pressure gauge. When it reaches like this point, it stops and start like going back little by little, but this is the maximum. It goes now with the new pressure stat, and the new safety valve works perfect. So let's go ahead and pull a espresso shot from that. Yep. Double check on the gauge here. Testing it with the pressure gauge. Since this machine, this model comes without that gauge. This is a great shot coming out of this Pavoni. It's even with crema, so that's perfect. And I like to just also the steamer. Works good too, and I like also to test these machines without nothing, just pulling water. So everything works perfect. Thank you for watching.